So first of all, what I would start with is the first thing that you would do. On your phone, look for Google Play Store. Okay, so this app is within Google Play Store. So you hit the Google Play Store on your phone. So if you don't see it here on the first menu, just scroll and get to the menu of your computer and look for Google Play. So for me, I already happen to have it here before you look for the menu. Then after that, you click into search. Then you search for the Alibaba app. Okay, as you see it here, the first one up. Okay, then when you click on it, Alibaba, then you click, you look for it. It has come. Mine is already installed, but if you don't, you're not already doing what, already you haven't already installed it, then it means you should click on install as you see for Jumia app. Okay, so as you see here, they are telling you that Alibaba.com B2B Marketplace, meaning that it is sorry so it is business to business marketplace, meaning that a person who is going to be buying is also aiming at selling it. So you buy at a cheaper price to also sell. You buy at a cheaper price, you like import it into your country. Then when it comes to selling, you also add in some money to see that you make profits. But because remember, you paid customs, you paid transportation, and right now you are paying ground rent for the shop that is basically selling. Okay, so that is why we use what? Alibaba. Okay, oh, that is why they use Alibaba. Okay, so sorry. So, okay, yeah, that is it. So after installing it, you just click open and it opens as you see here. Okay, so it opens. Then the first thing that you would do is to sign up. Okay, so you sign up with your email. Okay, so you use your email to sign up. The moment you sign up, boom, it is ready for use. So, yeah, that is it. Thank you for watching. Musicians, remember, in the description of this video, there is Songtrust. Okay, a link to joining Songtrust that will help you receive a discount of 10%, and you'll only have to pay 90% to join. Okay, then you register your music and you start collecting mechanical and performance royalties worldwide. Okay, so do it today. Join the platform and stop losing out money in form of mechanical and performance royalties. You have done music for some good time. It is online, people are using it, people are remixing it, people are putting it in the background of their content, people are downloading it, whether free or after paying. So stop losing that money. So that is what is called the performance royalties and mechanical royalties. So by you joining Songtrust, it helps you collect it from different parts of the world. Okay, so join the platform today. Thank you for watching.